All right, so Maisie and Gabe have got me together a couple videos here today. They want me to see and just share with them medical thoughts, legal thoughts, or I guess just first thoughts. So let's see what we have here. First one here, black SUV on the left. Good music I hear with it playing here. It's clearly from a car cam. Oh, whoa, ugly. Okay, wow. First thought that comes to my mind is the driver of the black SUV is definitely lucky that that impact was to the front end. You can tell from the camera footage view here that it was the front end. Looks like directly to where the tire is or the axle. If that impact had been directly to the driver's side compartment, meaning directly to the driver's door, would probably have been a fatal impact. The reason is that our solid organs are very easily injured and bleed heavily. What are our solid organs? Our liver, our spleen, and an impact directly to that driver's door, there's very little cushion between the driver and the door. They ram directly into the door at that point. Usually there's intrusion into the car from the other vehicle, and again, most often fatal. The fact that this was to the axle, or had it been to the door post right behind the driver, one is life-saving, but it does impart a tremendous amount of force into the vehicle. And in T-bone impacts like this, what you see is a rotational impact to the driver. So the injuries tend to be very severe. It's very easy to tear the annulus or the covering to the disc in something like this, or to get severe muscle tears, or sprains and strains as people call it, or even fractures. So impressive crash, probably literally inches away from loss of life. One thing that's worthwhile seeing right here, we're gonna stop this. Here's another thing you see. I didn't even realize this first time through. Here is why dash cams can be important in cars. If you look at this video, what happens back here, right here, look at the driver of the black SUV. They're driving through a red light. My natural instinct when I saw the truck on the right turn and go was that the light was green. I thought the white vehicle that came into the intersection had run the red light. But if you look at this, the driver of the black SUV, of the black Tahoe, was fooled just like I was. The driver of the truck turns right on a red, which is legal and allowed, and the driver of the SUV, who wasn't paying attention, just assumed the light was green and went. So if you watch the rest of this, light's red, boom, impact. So the light is red. The black SUV ran the red light. The white vehicle coming through the intersection actually was on the green. And if you continue to watch the video here, you'll see as the cars are at a complete rest, you'll see the light turn green here. There it goes. There's the green light that the driver was supposed to go on. So that's another take-home lesson there. And I guess probably in the importance of dash cams or witnesses. You see these witnesses at the scene running over. If you were the driver of the black SUV, you would swear that you had the green light. I bet they really believe they had the green light. They saw the other vehicle go, but they didn't. The person took off through on a red light because they weren't paying attention, and they were literally inches away from losing their life. Impressive crash.